Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much NBKC charges for wire transfers. Now, before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about why wire transfers are important. Wire transfers are a quick and easy way to send money to someone else, and they're often used for things like paying bills, buying a car, or sending money to family or friends. So, if you're looking to send money via wire transfer, it's important to know how much it's going to cost you. NBKC wire transfer fees. NBKC offers two different types of wire transfers, domestic and international. Domestic wire transfers. For domestic wire transfers, NBKC charges a flat fee of $15. There are no additional fees for sending or receiving a domestic wire transfer. International wire transfers. For international wire transfers, NBKC charges a flat fee of $35. In addition to the flat fee, NBKC also charges a variable fee based on the currency you're sending and the country you're sending it to. The variable fee for international wire transfers ranges from $5 to $35. Additional fees. In addition to the fees charged by NBKC, there may also be additional fees charged by your bank or the bank of the person you're sending money to. How to avoid wire transfer fees. There are a few things you can do to avoid wire transfer fees. Use a bank that doesn't charge wire transfer fees. There are a number of banks that don't charge wire transfer fees, so it's worth shopping around to see if you can find one that's right for you. Send your money as a gift. If you're sending money to a friend or family member, you can often avoid wire transfer fees by sending it as a gift. Use a peer-to-peer payment service. Peer-to-peer payment services like PayPal and Venmo are often cheaper than traditional wire transfers. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional tips. Be sure to know the recipient's bank name, account number, and routing number before you initiate a wire transfer. Make sure you have the recipient's correct address and contact information. Allow plenty of time for your wire transfer to process. It can take up to 5 business days for a domestic wire transfer to process and up to 10 business days for an international wire transfer to process. Frequently asked questions. What is a wire transfer? A wire transfer is a way to send money electronically from one bank account to another. How long does it take for a wire transfer to process? It can take up to 5 business days for a domestic wire transfer to process and up to 10 business days for an international wire transfer to process. What are the fees associated with wire transfers? The fees associated with wire transfers vary depending on the bank you're using and the type of wire transfer you're making. How can I avoid wire transfer fees? There are a few things you can do to avoid wire transfer fees, such as using a bank that doesn't charge wire transfer fees, sending your money as a gift, or using a peer-to-peer payment service. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.